Category 5 Super Typhoon Ragasa just passed by our country, and thankfully it didn't make direct landfall in my city, but it sure brought with it a relentless downpour. Today's plan is all about cleaning up the balcony from the aftermath. I'm not filming the process. This time it's just going to be a quiet, relaxing cleanup without the pressure of documenting everything. Before diving into that, I took a moment to check on the succulents. Most of them are doing fine since I managed to move them under shade before the rains hit. However, the newly potted rescued plants from previous typhoons as well as the recent haul got immediately soaked. Not ideal, but expected. I'll be relocating them to the east side of the balcony so they can dry out and drain properly. Another typhoon is currently brewing and could strengthen by the end of the week, so I need to make the most of this brief 2-day window of sunshine. Can't wait for the rainy season to be over. Hopefully by October, we're already looking forward to cool, sunny days and drier soil for the plants.